Today, we'll learn how to use the VLOOKUP function to save time and boost your productivity. VLOOKUP, short for vertical lookup, searches for data in a column and retrieves information from the same row. Let's start with a simple example. Finding the price of a banana. Put 3 elements into formula. What object you are looking for, banana. Where it can be, table range. What row number have the info you are looking for. Now we see the price of banana. Want to pull data from another sheet? No problem. Just start typing the formula and go to the data sheet if you need to get range from it. Don't worry about errors. Here's how to fix them. When working with formulas like VLOOKUP, it's important to fix the range of your table using the $sign to avoid errors if you copy the formula to other cells. By adding $signs around the table range, $A$2:C$4, you're making it absolute, meaning the range won't shift if the formula is moved or copied elsewhere. This is a key step to ensure your VLOOKUP works correctly across your spreadsheet. Google Sheets makes it just as easy. Here's the same formula in action. And if you ever feel stuck with complex formulas or need clarification, you can always ask tools like ChatGPT for guidance or to troubleshoot your Excel challenges. Just explain to it what info do you have in what row cell column and what you want to do with it. That's your quick introduction to VLOOKUP. Ready for more? Check out our advanced tutorial next.